One of the most important needs in the fast-changing demographic and economic environment the world over is that of a reliable, economical and environmentally compatible power supply. It is the key to sustainable development. Siemens, an integrated technology company, supplies intelligent, innovative and trend-setting solutions for securing optimum efficiency and productivity along the entire energy conversion chain. A stable, solid, yet flexible grid, reliable switchgear, and energy automation technology are essential components of power distribution networks capable of meeting a steadily growing demand. Our latest facility at Goa brings products and solutions in the critical area of medium voltage segment, which includes gas-insulated switchgear, ring main units, and compact substation. With a 4,600 square meter shop floor spread in the lush green environs of Verna, Goa, this facility is the latest and one of the key manufacturing hubs for medium voltage products in India. State-of-the-art manufacturing and a skilled workforce of more than 70 people helps this facility become a global center of excellence for medium voltage products. The factory manufactures primary distribution products up to 33 kV GIS like 8DA, 8DB, NX Plus C, special products for windmill, NX Plus C wind, and secondary distribution products like 8DGHST and mini subtype 8FB20.
MV2 GIS factory in India is targeted to serve local as well as global requirement. Keeping this vision in mind, from day one, no compromise is made in selection of plant and machineries, tools and infrastructure, setting up of the processes, and finally the most important aspect is selection of resources. We are confident that we will achieve this vision definitely.
We have implemented lean manufacturing systems like Kanban, 5S, single piece flow to improve our productivity.
Modern testing equipment like switching device system analyzer, leakage testing machine, and high voltage partial discharge equipment help cater to producing fault-free products. At Siemens, we strongly believe that a superior product is the result of cutting-edge technology. The Goa Works deploys latest and the best of machinery and equipment. Localization of products is the key at Goa Works. The major components of GIS and RMUs are received here from the approved vendors in India as well as Siemens AG. Quality tests are performed at the incoming inspection to verify the results. This is a critical process for checking the incoming material quality for both RMU and GIS range of products. As the name suggests, it measures the geometric characteristics of the object and is mainly used to test a part or assembly against the design intent. Measurements are defined by a probe attached to the third moving axis of the machine. Points are generated by precisely recording X, Y, and Z coordinates and then analyzed via regression algorithms for the construction of features. With features like offline programming, reverse engineering, shop floor suitability, CAD model import capability, compliance with the DMIS standard. These machines are used for dimensional measurement, profile measurement, angularity or orientation measurement, depth mapping, digitizing or imaging, and shaft measurement. Siemens is the only manufacturer to have this machine for MV switchgear manufacturing, once again proving its superior quality through cutting-edge technology. This is a multi-chamber, multi-process type of cleaning machine, in which all that the operator needs to do is to place the component-loaded baskets on the loading station. All further processes are automatic. This has 4 major processes. The first is ultrasonic cleaning with DM water and degreaser to lose contaminated particles. The second is rinsing with DM water to wash away those particles. The third, hot air drying. And the fourth is the cooling zone for normal handling at unloading station. The machine ensures that aluminium castings for GIS are free of contaminations like dust, metal chips, oil and grease, thus making leak-free castings possible. The computerized torsion spring testing machine is mainly used for conducting the clockwise and counterclockwise testing of various springs of different types. The hardness tester tests the hardness of alloy steel, aluminium alloy, copper alloy steel, bearing alloy and other thin or mild material, including substances like plastic. The device uses both precision electromechanical technology and computer software. The roughness tester is used to measure the roughness of the components. All vessel operations begin with welding. The LHRH sheet preparation is the next stage and is done on the LHRH welding fixture since it maintains the perpendicularity of the bus bar bushing to the sheet. The vessel front sheet has arrangement for mounting of drives and switching devices. The front sheet welding fixtures and templates make the welding of small parts easier. The fixture is universal, making it suitable for all vessel variants. Rotating in 180 degree gives it proper access and the right position for welding. This is followed by 5-side welding of vessels. Subsequently, the clamping of plates is done. The rotary bushing and pin welding are done only after the 5-side welding is over. The 5-side welded unit is now ready for mounting of core parts. After assembly, every bolt is checked for particular torque and mark. The operations are complete with the welding of side 6, pressure relief device and gas filling tube. Helium leak detection is done only at Siemens. This is the most critical process in the entire manufacturing chain of medium voltage products. Here the leak tightness of the product is ensured. In case of RMUs, the core part, vessel, goes inside the chamber of the machine and the 8 steps of leak detection and SF6 gas filling process begins. In the first step, evacuations start for both core part and chamber, and at the time of evacuation, the difference of evacuation levels of core part and chamber to find gross leaks are checked. In the second and third step, evacuation of both the core part and chamber are completed. In the fourth step, it checks the background value of helium inside the chamber to find small leaks in the core part. In the fifth and sixth steps, helium is sprayed to find fine leaks. After the completion of fine leak detection, in the seventh step, helium is recovered from the core part. Finally, in step 8, SF6 gas filling starts. After completion of leak detection, the filling tube is crimped and the adapters are removed. For GIS, cable housing assembly with cable pots and end flanges are cleaned by cleaning agents, and all the O-rings are checked to ensure they are scratch-free so that leakage at joints can be avoided. All the chambers are evacuated and the helium is sprayed from outside on the joints of the chamber. If there is a leak, then helium enters the chambers. After helium leak detection, another SF6 handling unit fills in SF6. The products are now ready for HVPD testing. This is the final test, wherein the switchgear is subjected to high voltage and partial discharge. These tests are done to ensure the long life of the switchgear. The power frequency voltage withstand capacity is tested, and the impurities both inside and outside are detected in the high voltage test. After positive test results, the core parts are assembled with the enclosure. The velocity angle test and the millivolt drop test are performed before welding the sixth side. The final test is that of wiring, electrical and mechanical operations, special client requirements, as well as assembly of the complete switchgear, being the final step before dispatch. Completeness of the switchgear in every manner and its adherence to the Siemens quality standard is ensured before it reaches the customer. The Siemens processes and precision standards maintained in Goa are on the same lines as those in Germany. thus ensuring customers enjoy world-class products at par with all other quality-conscious clients in the world. Siemens Medium Voltage, best-in-class products and solutions.